Hey, I noticed that only about 1% of you who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you enjoy the content I'm creating, consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and ensures you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for your support. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus review, a phone that has been making waves since its launch. If you've been following the Redmi Note series, you'll know that it started as a budget-friendly line offering great features at affordable prices. Over the years, this series has evolved, and the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is no exception. With a price point nearing $400 in the US, it's pushing into the premium mid-range category while maintaining Redmi's commitment to offering excellent value for money. Unboxing experience. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. The packaging for the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is simple yet functional, much like the other models in the Redmi Note series. Upon opening the box, you're immediately greeted with the phone itself. Beneath the device, you'll find a 90-watt fast charger, allowing for rapid charging speeds. A USB Type-A to Type-C cable is also included, along with a clear protective case, a nice touch for those who want immediate protection without needing to buy extra accessories. Design and build quality. Moving on to the design, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus maintains the sleek, modern look that the series is known for. The phone is built using Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass 7 on the back, ensuring durability while still looking premium. The glass construction makes the phone feel solid in hand, and this added layer of protection ensures it can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The camera module is prominent, featuring a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, which we'll dive into shortly. In terms of ergonomics, the phone retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature that's becoming increasingly rare in modern smartphones. Display quality. Now let's talk about the 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. This display is one of the highlights of the phone. It's a 12-bit panel, meaning it supports an impressive 68 billion colors, far more than the typical 10-bit displays found in many competitors. Whether you're streaming content, playing games, or browsing the web, the display delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Additionally, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus supports Dolby Vision, which is a huge advantage for anyone who enjoys binge-watching their favorite shows on Netflix, YouTube, or other platforms. The 1.5K resolution ensures that content looks sharp, and the curved edges of the display add a touch of elegance to the overall design. The peak brightness of the display reaches 3000 nits, making it highly visible even in bright outdoor conditions. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. This chip delivers excellent performance with an Antutu score of around 750,000. Whether you're using the phone for daily tasks like browsing and social media, or more intensive activities like gaming, this processor handles everything with ease. In China, the phone is available in 12GB and 16GB RAM variants, but we're still waiting to see if an 8GB RAM model will be available globally. For storage, the phone uses UFS 3.0, ensuring fast read and write speeds, although it doesn't quite reach the speeds of UFS 3.1. The combination of powerful hardware and fast storage means that apps load quickly, multitasking is smooth, and the phone is responsive in general. Battery life is another strong point of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. It comes with a 6200 mAh high-density silicon carbon battery, which is impressive considering the phone's slim form factor. This battery easily lasts a full day of heavy use, and thanks to the included 90-watt charger, you can quickly recharge the phone in under an hour. Gaming performance. For gamers, this phone is a treat. The Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 ensures smooth gameplay, and the 120Hz refresh rate display makes for a fluid experience. You can expect to play games at 60 FPS comfortably, and some titles may even support 120 FPS. However, it's worth noting that not all games are optimized for such high frame rates, particularly in the global market. Chinese variants of the phone have demonstrated excellent performance in games like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact, but we'll have to wait and see if these optimizations carry over to the global release. Camera performance. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus shines when it comes to camera performance. The phone features a 50-megapixel primary sensor that uses light fusion technology for improved clarity and low-light performance. This main sensor is complemented by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, offering versatility for different shooting scenarios. What sets this camera apart is the 2.5x optical zoom capability. While most phones in this price range offer 2x or 3xs optical zoom, the 2.5x zoom strikes a nice balance, allowing you to capture portraits and zoomed-in shots with excellent detail. You can zoom up to 5s digitally, and while there's some loss of quality at higher zoom levels, the results are still impressive for a mid-range device. In terms of video, the phone supports 4K recording, and thanks to its optical image stabilization OIS, the footage remains smooth even when shooting handheld. The stereo speakers on the device also contribute to an immersive media experience, providing clear audio when watching videos or playing games. Durability and water resistance. One of the standout features of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is its IP69 certification, which offers protection against water and dust. You could submerge this phone in up to 2 meters of water for an extended period without any issues. The combination of Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass 7 on the back further adds to its durability, making it one of the rugged phones in its class. Connectivity and sensors. For connectivity, the phone is well equipped. It includes an IR blaster, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4. All the essential sensors are present, ensuring a seamless user experience. The AAC support means you'll get high-quality audio when using Bluetooth earphones, enhancing your media consumption. Final thoughts. Overall, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is an impressive package for its price. It offers a stunning display, solid performance, great battery life, and a versatile camera setup. Whether you're a gamer, a media enthusiast, or just someone who needs a reliable smartphone for everyday tasks, this phone has something to offer. The global launch is expected between December and mid-January, and when it arrives, it's likely to become one of the top contenders in the mid-range smartphone market. If you're looking for a phone that offers premium features without breaking the bank, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus should be high on your list. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.